My garden is filled with beautiful leafy plants that slugs love to devour. And I live in the Pacific Northwest, so no matter what I do, there's so much moisture content that it is next to impossible to get rid of the slugs. So I definitely rely on Sluggo to keep my garden looking beautiful. Now, the main reason I go for this is that I want something that I can use around our pets and all of the random pets and wildlife that come into our yard. And I want to be able to have it in our vegetable garden and have no concerns about what is in this. Now, it's kind of crazy how it works, but these pellets have iron phosphate in them, and slugs want to eat these. And then when they do, they don't feel hungry at all. They basically just stop eating. So the slug dies and your plant survives without any bites at all. And you really just want to put them around the plants that you want to protect from slugs. Let me show you. Now it comes with a great cap with a large pour or a sprinkle, which is what I'll use. And then you really do just sprinkle this around the plants you want to protect. And know that you will need to apply this every 2 weeks or so. For me, I find that I can do this a few times in a row and then I actually get a break for a while, but it really depends on where you are. And yes, you will see the little white pellets in your dirt unless you have some big bush or foliage in the way that can block that. But it's going to protect all of my plants. As you can see, I'm already just a little too late, but it's not too bad. And I definitely want these to be beautiful all summer long. My only recommendation is to get this as soon as possible. If you are concerned about slugs eating anything in your garden, you want to prevent that from happening. It's no fun once it does, because then even when I get rid of the slugs, I still will have all the bites on the leaves, and that's just not as pretty. I definitely love this product and will be using it all season long.